You want to try it? Can
Yeah,
Mignon?
I actually would.
Jean, can you hold Mignon?
Can you hold your sister?
Oh, please? Oh, this is awesome.
Wow.
There they go. She got a little soccer ball. Look at that, Tiernan. Yay!
That is so sweet, Tiernan.
Is that a raptor on your shirt? What kind of dinosaur is that? It might be a T-Rex.
Gentle, Jean. Gentle.
Is it a T-Rex?
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe it is. Oh, she's like,
Not so
I'm not
much?
comfortable, Mom.
Not so much?
I'm not
Popping
comfortable,
a squat
Mommy.
is not cutting it? Oh, ask Tiernan if it's okay.
You letting her hold the ball for a
Thank
while?
you, Tiernan. That's very sweet.
Mignon's
Yeah.
like, I want to go.
You know what's around?